6:57, but I've been up since 3 a.m. A goal of mine for a long time now has been to get back on track to waking up early and having an actual morning routine. And so that is what I'm going to force myself to get back into, because I feel like having a morning routine definitely helps my mental health and helps me start my day like in a healthy manner, and just overall goal setting and just like healthy lifestyle living. So I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure on myself. I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna stimulate the dopamine, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, because I'm in the business of doing what I have to do, pushing myself to be the greatest version of myself. So let's do it. So I'm gonna take my scarf off. I hate this line on my head, but it's fine. So one thing about Invisaligns that you have to do, if you have Invisalign or if you plan on getting them, you have to make sure each morning you take them out and at least brush them or rinse them out, because when you're sleeping and you don't like wake up and clean them or brush them, it can cause a blurry look. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but yeah. And so, okay, just a little backstory on knotless braids. I absolutely do not like knotless braids anymore because they just give that messy look that I don't like. I really love clean, sleek hair, and with knotless braids, you absolutely do not get that because of just the growth with your scalp. As you can see, there is a lot of growth. There's a lot of growth in my scalp, can y'all see? But that is because I oil my scalp morning and night. The whole point of me getting knotless braids was to grow out my real hair. I believe my hair is low porosity. I think that's the correct one. Whichever porosity that needs more protein and like oil and stuff. I just know my hair do good with oil. So I put a lot of oil in my scalp. When I have braids, it grows my hair out a lot. But I just don't like knotless braids because it just doesn't give me that clean look that I'm looking for. And as you can see, my skin is actually, you can't deny the skin. Try not to do my ponytails too tight because I don't want to rip my edges out. The edges that I'm trying to grow back at least. I look so childish with knotless, guys. I don't like them at all. Like, I used to be a fan, but I think now because I'm getting more into like wanting to look like something, I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan of them. I'm only a fan of them to grow my hair, that's it. I have a little fitness bag right here. I need to find my headphones. I don't know where it's at. You know what? Whatever. The point is that I get to the gym. Don't gotta be perfect. Don't gotta have everything that I need. I just need to get there. I just need to show up. So let's go show up. Got everything. My apartment's coming together. Yes. Let me just get my keys. So guys, I just did 16 minutes on a treadmill. I'm about to do the Stairmaster. Came here, I did my 5 minutes of workout. I am done. the girl is done. I feel accomplished for the day. So let's get the hell up out of here. Okay guys, so I am back in my apartment. I'm not being dramatic, but my legs are on fire because I don't work them out. So hey guys, I was a little emotional earlier, but you know what, life gonna be what it's gonna be. ATP, it's up to me to ride and do she. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I realized in life it's about 5% of what happens to you and 95% of how you respond to it. And when you keep your energy at a certain level and you realize that there is a higher power in everything that we go through, and we cannot lean on our own understanding. Okay, me trying to figure it all out on my own, do things on my own, it's never gonna work. It's not just a me thing, it's a we thing between me and God. And I feel like in this season of my life, I'm being tested a lot. I'm being tested, okay? Things I said I wanted, I'm being tested. Do you really want it? How bad do you want it? I'm being tested. And it's so crazy that The Secret is showing on my TV, because what you are, you're gonna attract. And so I'm just learning. Okay, we're just staying off topic, but do y'all ever just eat a plate of mac and cheese, like the shell mac and cheese, the box mac and cheese? I literally do it. I know, I'm so childish, but yeah, so that's where I'm at with it. I've been working all day since I came back from the eye doctor. So guys, I just sat here and watched a real estate show, Selling Sunset. Y'all probably know about it. It just gives me so much motivation, because outside of trucking, I do want to start getting back into real estate. I don't know if any of you guys know. I don't know if I've talked about it after the video about it before, but I actually went to real estate school a few years ago. I did not pass my state exam. I got so freaking bummed out and discouraged about it, and I just gave up. And so yeah, I am thinking about getting back into that field. I said I wasn't going to tell anybody, but this is just my place to vent and say my thoughts, so I'm not going to hold it back from you guys, people that actually support me. So anyways, I am about to go to the gym. I did go this morning, but I was not in the best headspace with it. I was like I was very much like going through other emotions and stuff. I'm about to go and do a core workout, because I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start doing AM legs and then PM core, because I mean, I'm in the house anyway, so why not? So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to get dressed. Well, I already still have on my sports bra and stuff, and all I need to do is put on my leggings, my shirt, and be out. So let's go. Okay, so I have my leggings on and my jacket on. Okay, not only would I wear the waist trainer, but I will also wear plastic wrap around my waist as well. And not only would I just wear the plastic wrap, but I would wear coconut oil, like just things to really help me break that water weight. Yeah, I just finished my workout and I'm super excited, because you know what, I'm so proud of myself. I went to the gym this morning, I went to the gym just now, and yeah, it's like I had to make sure I was at my door. I'm like, what the heck? As long as, okay, hold on, it's 7 o'clock, so Okay, so let me put y'all on a little game. As long as you show up every single day for your goals, it don't matter how much time you putting in every day. But if you show up every single day for your goals, what I was gonna say is, as long as you show up for your dreams and your goals every single day, stay consistent, persistent, everything in that nature, you should have no doubt in your mind that what you want is gonna come to fruition. Because at the end of the day, you know, I spend so much time trying to overthink or just like, oh my god, when is it gonna happen? When is it gonna happen? And it's like, that's like being at work and staring at the freaking time clock, waiting for the time to come, but it's just moving so slow because you're staring at it, waiting for it to happen. So don't be that person that wakes up every single day and you wanna know when your time is coming. When is that goal gonna be met? When is that blessing gonna come, or whatever it is that you want? Just wake up every day, do something towards your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. Don't think too deep into it, and you know what, be happy with what you've accomplished thus far, because I'm pretty sure you are now somewhere in life or have something that you was once praying for, and we have to live in gratitude. That's how we attract more. And so I just want anyone that watches me to feel encouraged today. Know that you are loved, you are special, you are amazing, you are doing your best, and I am so proud of you. If nobody else tells you, I love you. I'm so proud of you. You are such an amazing person, and you're gonna go so far in life. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.